Hi guys, good evening. So today we will try to solve a very prominent problem which comes is that we often prepare the data in Excel, but the presentation which we have to give to the management is on the PPT. So what we do is we try to copy paste the data from Excel to PPT. And if we change any data from Excel, we have to keep a tab that we have to go and update the PPT also, right? So here I have the data where I have the product wise sales and a bar graph, right? Now I want to paste it in PPT in such a way that if I update something on the Excel, it automatically gets updated in the PPT as well. So see how we can do it. It's very simple. You will copy the data from Excel. You will do copy and go to your PPT. And here you go to paste special, and then paste link and paste link as Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Okay. And say okay. Now you see the data has come. You can format it, right? And it's like your Excel sheet is pasted here. So let's say, see this quantity is 510. If I go and change the quantity to, let's say 710, let's see what happens. It changes here, right? So it gives you a much better control, right? In the similar way, even you can paste the chart also. You just have to copy and paste. Again, same process, paste special, paste link, and you will say okay, right? So you have got a chart also. Anything which gets changed, like look, the B is very small, so we will make the B big. We will change the amount of B, right? So let us change this to 7,000, or 7,000 will be too much. 700. Okay. So you see the B has increased here also. It has come 700, correct? Let's make it 7,000 to be more visible. Now see the B. So automatically on a real time basis, it has changed. Few tips to do it effectively and sending it over the mail. Try to place both your PPT and the Excel sheet in the same folder. And when you are sending it across to anybody over the mail, you should send the entire folder and not only just the file, right? So the linking works properly. I hope you like this video and this may be useful in your day-to-day working. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.